some green banana. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this recipe. Nice healthy porridge in the morning. Let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just wash my green bananas. I'm not going to use all of it, maybe about 3. Just like so. Banana washed, dried, ready to be peeled. Banana is sticky, so I'm just going to put a drop of olive oil on my hands and my knife. Oh gosh, that's more than a drop, people. Just like so. So that the sap doesn't go all over. I'm not an expert at peeling bananas, but I can't help myself. Don't come for me now, yes? Especially if you're watching from Jamaica. Give me a break. So I cut the top off, cut the bottom off, and give it a few strokes. 1 and 2. Same again. Cutting off the top, cutting off the bottom. Just a few strokes. 1 and 2. And then those strokes that we did, I'm just going to peel them off like this. Yeah. Some of it still leave on, but it's fine. Okay, so just like that, I have my 3 bananas here. I'm not going to waste the skin. I'm going to keep it to do something else. Maybe make fertilizer. I'll find something to do with the skins. Yeah, so my banana is ready. Just going to put the banana in this blending cup. Maybe I should cut them in smaller pieces. Like so. So I have it in the bananas in a blending cup. Now I'm just going to add some cinnamon to it and blend away. And again, just going to add to my thing. Cinnamon is very healthy, so there you have it. Banana is ready to be blended. Just like that, my banana is nicely blended to a pot. The banana didn't blend smoothly. There were 1 and 2 small pieces that just smudged out, but that's alright. I'm gonna let this thicken. It's so creamy, so nice. But I promise my daughter might have a fuss to even eat it. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes. I will show you the next part of the process shortly. So I'm just stirring gently so that that banana doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Alternatively, you can do the sensible thing and cook it on low flames, which would have been the best thing to do. But my pot bottom is very shallow, so I'm just doing it like this. I'm going to reduce the flame and leave that to cook for a minute. So yes people, as you can see, the porridge is thickening up. So thick now, it's like a cornmeal porridge. I don't know where I can put my camera. Super thick porridge now, so I'm just going to sweeten it. I'm going to finish as usual people. In my view, it's so much better to give them some porridge made like this rather than some cornflakes. In Jamaica, every day we drink a different type of porridge. Jamaican people will take that for granted sometimes, whereas in UK they're just eating from packages. We have to get back to eating from the tree. It's actually very nice. Have in mind, but for now this is for my daughter, her breakfast. Just like that, banana porridge done. Okay people, here's the banana porridge all finished. Went for my run, came back, and I'm just gonna enjoy this banana porridge now. Looking nice, creamy and delicious, just like this. Gonna enjoy this banana porridge. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Beautiful banana porridge. Please try it. So hope you enjoyed my recipe today, cooking banana porridge. So simple, so easy. And please remember before you leave to give my video a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so. See you in the next one.